Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your AdSense account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove a website from your AdSense account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to remove a website from your AdSense account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing content, you know that sometimes your website's just not going to get approved for AdSense, so it's better just to go ahead and remove it from your account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your AdSense account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my AdSense account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to remove a website in your AdSense account, here on this left menu, you're going to click on Sites. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see a list of all of your sites in Google AdSense. And in order to remove one of these websites, what you're going to do is just look for their line, and off to the right, you're going to see a trash can. Go ahead and click on the trash can. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to get this pop up. Are you sure you want to delete this website and any related subsites? If so, click on this blue continue button. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that website has been removed from my AdSense. So if I want to apply again, I'm going to need to resubmit that website. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a website from your AdSense account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.